I'm seeing someone here looking at the stars. The first message that I'm picking up from that is that maybe you have this wish, or maybe you have this long time wish, or maybe you have this desire that you truly want to happen here in your life. But I do sense that the energy also coming from you is also the energy of being patient. Yeah. You're praying, you're hoping for something here to happen, but you're patiently waiting for it. Yeah. That's the energy that I'm picking up. So something here you could be desiring deep within you, and you could be waiting patiently for it. So let's see more. We have here this Seven of Cups energy. So there could be a lot of offers right here showing up in your life, but for some reason, I'm picking up that this is something here that um that do not satisfy you a lot, or you feel like there's something here missing. So maybe there's a missing cup right here, or maybe a missing opportunity, or yeah, missed opportunity. So let's see, okay, what that is. So I do see that even though there are other opportunities being presented to you, maybe you're waiting here for some kind of a specific offer. So let's see. Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being here with us, together with the angels and spirit guides. Oh, looks like the universe right here is so excited to tell you some kind of a good news. Let's see. Wow, the magician. I think you've manifested here something. Maybe that is that star that you're looking up in the sky. Maybe it has something to do with that wish or that offer that we're talking about seconds ago. So let's see. What is that? Magician energy. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out more informations. Oh, okay. So let us lay all the energies first on the table before we start talking more about this. Okay. Six of Wands energy right at the center or heart of this reading. Whoa, wow. Okay. Hi and hello there, sweethearts. Thank you so much for being here with me. And hi and hello, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. I'm from the Philippines. Thank you so much for being here. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender, and of course, this is timeless as well. So, just take only what resonates here with you, guys. But I do see that with this Four of Cups energy, Eight of Wands, Three of Coins right in there, and there's this Four of Coins energy. I think there's some kind of an offer. Yeah. Okay. Finally, an offer right here will present itself to you once again. So I think I do pick up that this could possibly be an opportunity that you unawarely missed before. But I do see that whoever this energy is here, I do pick up that this time you will definitely grab this opportunity and will not let this opportunity go. So you will not miss this opportunity here, because I think you've been wanting or praying or hoping that it will present itself once again. Maybe you realize that this is something here that you really want. Maybe this is something here that you truly desire. So whatever that is, it could be anything. Since this is general reading right here, you have here different specific situations. So just take only what resonates. But if you do feel like that there's something here that you could probably missed before, like an opportunity, it could be anything. I do see that this opportunity will present itself once again or once more in your life. And I do pick up that I do see that this is you. You will definitely grab it this time. So, I do see that you will hold on tightly to this opportunity and will not let this go. So, spirits are saying with this Four of Coins energy, Three of Coins strength card over here, be courageous enough or be brave enough to grab this opportunity this time. So, the universe right here is giving you another chance to grab this opportunity or offer right here. That's why they're gonna help you to achieve it this time. So you will definitely grab this offer right here because this is what you truly want. So maybe that's love situation. Maybe that's about your money and finances. Maybe that's about your career or job. But I do see that this is you. You are more determined right now not to miss this opportunity once again. So with this Nine of Wands energy, Six of Wands right here, and there's this Three of Cups. Spirits are saying right here that you need to focus in winning this because you're gonna win big. That's the energy that I'm picking up because after this, I'm seeing you celebrating. I'm seeing you right here dancing with joy. I do see that this is you. You are gonna feel blessed or you're gonna feel a lot of bliss or happiness after receiving this opportunity that you've once missed or that you're considering here that something that you missed in the past. So I do see that spirits are saying not to overthink or not to overassess anything, not to stress out yourself and do not think negatively about the situation here. Okay, so that you will not attract here negative energies. Okay, just focus in winning this battle over here. Just focus in grabbing this opportunity this time, and you're gonna win big. So whatever that is, I'm seeing you celebrating here together with your soul tribe, together with your community, with your family, with your loved ones, with your genuine soul tribe right here. I do see you right here winning big. So I do see that this is you. This is like an answered prayer. Yeah, this is answered prayer here to you guys because this is something here that you truly want. This is something here that you prayed for, that this will show up once again in your life. So maybe this is a person here that you love. Maybe this is the job that you really want. So maybe this is the business that you truly want to pursue. So whatever that is, it could be anything. Maybe material worldly gains right here. Maybe material possessions. Might be luxurious purchases like dream car, dream home, whatever that is. I do see that you're gonna win big. This is more than right here what you expect to receive. So with this Two of Swords energy and there's this Queen of Swords, I do see that this is you. Okay, spirits are saying that listen to your intuition, trust your higher self right here, and do not doubt in making a decision to grab this opportunity this time because you're gonna harvest more. Yeah, that's the message of the Nine of Coins energy and Seven of Coins. You're gonna harvest more than what you manifested here, more than what you expect. So I do see that this is something here that you truly want. This is something here that will make you feel so happy or genuinely happy. So maybe others of you, you could be owning here a pet, maybe a bird, maybe a cat, dog, or rabbit, or hamster, so whatever that is. I do see that someone here could be a pet lover or owning a pet. Yeah. So I do see that you will harvest more and spirits are already guaranteeing you that there's already success and you just need to focus uh on winning this battle here. You just need to focus in grabbing this opportunity here this time, and everything right here is already in line for you guys. The ball is in your court. So I do see that you will harvest here something that you do not expect, but it will surely, certainly, 101% makes you happy. So this opportunity will come in quickly. Look at that. This opportunity will present itself to you quickly, or this offer right here is already presented to some of you like right now, or like recently. But for others of you, this is something here that's gonna arrive in the upcoming days or weeks for you guys. So be sure to grab this opportunity this time, okay? I'm saying that you're gonna catch it. Yeah, I'm saying that you're gonna catch it, you're gonna grab it this time, because this is what you've waited for quite a long time here. Yeah, that's the energy. You've waited for this opportunity to show up in your life. So I do see that you do not want to miss this time. And I do see you right here that you are very attentive, that you are having this type of you're alert. Yeah, so that when this opportunity pops out of the blue, you will definitely grab it or catch it, and I'm seeing that you'll definitely receive it this time. So I'm seeing you that you are gonna work on it. I'm seeing you building um, this type of plans or strategies to be able to expand whatever this offer that you're waiting for, okay, that you're gonna um, make sure that you will benefit from it more. So I do see that this is you. You are really patiently waiting for this. You are really truly desiring this. So I'm seeing you stepping into this type of energy of winning this type of battle, because after achieving this, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna receive more. Why? Because you're gonna expand whatever that is. If that's a business, you're gonna make sure that you will attract more customers, more buyers, more potential clients right here. Or if that's a career or dream job that you want, I'm seeing that you're gonna enhance your skills more to be able to be recognized or get that designation that you truly want. Might be a promotion, or maybe if this is a person here, you really want to take care of that person, you will express more love and affection to that person. Yeah, you will definitely do everything just to keep this opportunity right here. I'm seeing someone here kneeling down, praying that this opportunity will show up once again in your life, because you now realize that this is what you truly want. And the universe is so generous enough to present you this. Wow. And this time, I'm seeing you receiving it. Yeah, with open arms. So I'm getting as well, okay, a bonus message from here, or a side message. Seven of Pentacles energy, or Seven of Coins. Page of Wands energy, Ace of Wands. So I do see that there is someone here who will bring some kind of good news. This is another good news aside from what we're talking about, that the opportunity that will present itself, okay? This is another good news. So this will make you feel excited as well. So whatever is this is some kind of an emotional, okay, message that you will receive in a form of news. So maybe someone here will tell you about this news, maybe someone here younger than you, or just younger looking than his or her age. So whoever this individual is, this person here might confess to you, maybe his or her love for you, maybe this is the person here that you've waited for. Maybe this is the person here that you truly love. For others of you, this is a love situation. Or this person who will bring in the good news to you, maybe he or she is a coworker. Maybe he or she is a business potential partner. So I do see that there is someone here that will definitely bring you this another good news, which will also make you feel excited and happy. So I do see that you will definitely be more confident about yourself, and be more confident right here in whatever it is that you can do. So I'm seeing you right here uh, pursuing whatever it is that you want to pursue, and victory is all yours. Yeah, victory is all yours with the Six of Wands energy. And I do see that this will bring a lot of blessings here in your life. You know, when you feel excited or when you feel positive about something, everything right here, you feel like everything is gonna work out on your favor. That's the energy that I'm picking up from you. And because this opportunity was being presented or is about to present itself to you once again, I do see that this will fuel right here your energy to achieve your dreams and goals in life more. So whatever this is, I do see that this opportunity will once again be presented to you because the universe right here knows that you are talking to them and this is what you truly want. So, okay, be uh be be someone here who connects to your intuition so that you can probably receive what the universe right here is trying to tell you. So here I'm picking up that the universe right here wants you to grab this opportunity this time because the universe wants you to enjoy this moment of receiving what you truly want in your life. So maybe it has something to do with your finances and coins. Whatever this is, I'm picking up that with the Four of Coins energy and Three of Coins, I do see that you're gonna hold this so tightly in your arms, in your life, and you're gonna make progress or more improvement, okay, about this offer. So you're gonna maximize whatever it is opportunities um, that you will get from receiving this beautiful offer from here. So yeah, I'm seeing you celebrating here with your loved ones, with your soul tribe, with your beautiful people here. So I'm seeing that they're very supportive of you. Actually, your family is really supportive of whatever it is that you're doing because they know that you are smart, that you are intelligent, that you are embodying here that type of you can be able to make decisions right here in a mature way, and there's someone here popping out here that truly supports you. Maybe this is a parent figure, maybe this is your mom, this is your dad right here popping out in this reading. They're proud of you. They know that you can handle your life really well. There's someone here really standing out that they're truly supporting you. Yeah, your loved ones supporting you right here. But there's someone here standing out, and I think this is your mom or this could be your dad right here. Someone who is a legal guardian or a parent figure who is so proud of your achievements and what you will become in the future. So I do see that this is you. You are very smart. They're right that you're very smart. You're intelligent and you're very hardworking and diligent to make your life here more beautiful. So yeah, these are all the messages you've got right here. Be sure to grab it this time here, sweetheart. Spirits are saying that you will definitely notice it this time because this is something here that you've waited for. And finally, this will soon arrive here in your life. For others of you, you've already received this and now you're doing pretty good in expanding or in making more out of this opportunity, creating more positive changes here in your life using this manifested offer here. So I do see that whatever is this, this is something here that's worth receiving or that's worth um, welcoming in your world or in your life. So yeah, these are all the beautiful messages we've got right here. By the way, I'm seeing initials letter T, letter F, letter G, and letter O. So maybe those are initials of your names or maybe the initials right here of your person, okay, but doesn't have to be. But I do see that those could be somewhat here special to someone here watching or viewing this reading. Thank you so much for your time here, sweetheart, and love and light.